So I just finished making contents today at nakapag-transfer na din ako, but I'd like to show you guys some of it. So ayan, so nakapag-content na tayo today, o diba? So after niyan, syempre, it's already time for my Relumens Glutathione drink. Each bottle has phytonutrients, anti-aging active ingredients, immune-boosting, reduce fine lines, and skin brightening formula. So for those na palaging nasa araw, kailangang maarawan, kailangan ng spotlight, kailangang mailawan ng sobra because of the harmful UV rays, mas prone tayo sa mga fine lines, sa mga mata, ganyan. At the same time, this has anti-aging active ingredients and skin brightening formula. So this is really, really good. So don't forget to drink your Relumens Glutathione every day.